Video Sumo is designed to be both easy to use and to get you results fast. You could use it for launch jacking. You can see there's my video there on page 1. There's another there. And of course you can check these for yourself. So number 4 on page 1 for that phrase. And I can do this because it's very, very easy, very, very quick. And I'll show you some more results at the end of this video. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the basic process of finding keywords that you can rank for. So I'll show you how to find the keywords, how to extract the data, and I'll explain why that will help you rank almost instantly. So the first step is to log in. So I'll click there. The next step is to create a campaign. So you can name it whatever you like and then click Create Campaign. So you can see that we have 2 modules here. The first one is Research. So this is the module that I'm going to cover in this video, and the second one is about creating your videos. Now you can use these as standalone modules. So if you have, say, a bunch of videos on YouTube, for example, that you made for different products, evergreen products, niche products, whatever, and they didn't rank and you didn't get the results you were expecting, then you can re-upload those videos with the correct data using the Research module. But if you'd like to make videos as well, then you can do that with this module here, which I'll cover in an additional video. I'm going to call this one Test 4, and then we click there. Now the next step is to add in the seed keyword. Now this can be anything at all, so you can target absolutely any niche. It makes no difference whatsoever. So you drop in the seed keyword here, and you choose the location here. Now I would suggest that you leave this as the United States, but if you are looking to rank local videos, say for local businesses, for example, then if you click the little arrow there, you can choose different areas. We'll leave that as the United States for now, and then we'll put in a seed keyword here. So I've put numerology report in there, and then I just click search. Now you can see that the software starts to load and starts to extract the data. Now you can see that it's color coded. So we use a traffic light system to make it really, really easy for you to determine which keywords that you can target and which keywords you're going to be able to rank for. So you can see that red is going to be difficult, amber is somewhere in between, and green is going to be easy. Now we suggest that you target a green phrase. So numerology report number 2, for example, or here's a great one here, numerology report, June 2018. Now again, just like any other keyword tool, you can keep playing about with this feature here. You can keep adding different phrases. So for example, if you found something down here that looked interesting, you could take that one, for example, and then you could paste that in there and do another search. But I'm sure you get the idea. So you can see which keywords you're going to be able to rank for. Then all you need to do is click View Data. So on this page, you can see the top ranked videos for that particular phrase. And what you can do is you can extract the data. So you can use this data on your own videos. So for example, this one is ranked in YouTube, number 2 on YouTube, and number 9 on Google. So what I could do is I could click there, and then I could export all of the data. So all I need to do here is export. So this allows me to export all of the data I need in order to rank my videos for that particular phrase, essentially the ranking factors for that keyword. Now you can do this in any niche whatsoever. So this is perfect for using with your own videos. Again, you can use this in any niche. You can use this with existing videos. You can re-upload those videos with the correct ranking data. But if you don't have any videos, the next step is to add this data like so, and then create a video. Again, I'll explain that in the next video. Now, just before I finish this video, let me give you a little more inspiration. You can see that this is my blog here, and this post is here to promote a product. Okay, so the post is here, and I wanted to drive additional traffic to this post. And so I made a video which basically just has me narrating this post, just parts of it. And you can see here that I'm on page 1, 125 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4 on page 1 for that phrase. Now, the way I did this was to use Video Sumo to swipe the details from this video here and use those ranking factors to rank my video and drive traffic to this post. The same with this post here. I did pretty much the same thing and ranked a video 421,000 results on page 1 at position number 4. You can see that that's page 1. Now, I am using Google UK here, so it may be slightly different wherever you are, but you can see just how easy this is. Now, I've been able to do that just by using the software, finding the right keywords and extracting the right ranking data in order for me to rank for those phrases. So go ahead, watch the next video and I'll explain how you can turn any website into a video.